It's supposed to be
Ugh.
right?
That's so nasty.
Little fishes. What are they doing?
When did 5-minute crafts become feet pics? Like,
Little anti-vampire nuggets.
This is a very popular video.
But why the garlic though?
it's just I can smell it. I can smell it right now, and it
The
smells
garlic
awful.
or the nails?
It's just a nature thing, I guess, with the guy.
Alright, mouthwash.
Yeah, this is actually my feet. This was me last
Salt.
week.
Alright, mouthwash and salt. Who knew? I'll tell
Now
my-
you use it in your mouth after you're done with the feet. It's double
Yeah.
usage.
Yeah, reusing our everything.
Alright, dry them off. They look much better.
Wow, that's actually a lot better.
Alright, let's gonna scrape the skin off.
What confuses me is this video has like 75 million views. That means 75 million people are just looking at feet pics constantly.
Yeah. Feet are trendy.
Yeah,
But how many likes there?
like
Or
too
just-
many likes.
Too many likes.
Feet-alicious.
I'm pretty sure my whole family likes this kind of stuff.
Oh, I can't watch that.
That's so gross.
I'd rather be dissecting something.
Dissecting?
Dissecting.
But they want to make it better, at least.
Yeah,
We'll
they're
see
trying
the final
to improve.
result.
It's
Hell
giving
yeah.
me the shivers.
Oh, what is this?
Oh, okay. So we have like
Looks
fly
edible.
larvae.
Larvae. C'est français.
Doc, what's the right terminology?
It's edible. So I
Thank you, Doc, for your science tips. What is that? Wax? Are they gonna wax the top?
golden paste.
Oh, okay.
Congo roll with golden.
This is like those like ancient Roman parties where they like have gold people.
Bring out the togas.
Bring out the togas.
All right, a bit of nail polish.
Ooh.
Why would they
okay.
go with skin tone?
So they went from garlic to rocks.
Okay.
And what's next? What do you think the next step
rock
is?
therapy. Essential oils.
This is a good question, actually. What is the next thing?
I think other
That
people's toes will be next. It's just gonna be 2 feet interlocked.
Ooh,
It should be matches, you
some
know?
feet on feet
Like-
action.
Yes. What are we
Alright.
doing?
Okay, little Frenchie.
Ooh. They don't like to be called that.
Oh, sorry. My apologies.
Toes are quite sensitive.
Okay, nice peeling.
Oh, that's really satisfying.
Oof. Looks like it's like her skin.
Wow.
Whoa!
Before and after.
That's crazy.
Sure.
I like what I see.
5-minute grab.
5-minute crafts.
They did a good job. Kinetic sand. Okay.
Wow.
Ooh, liquid metal.
It's Terminator.
Forbidden Jello.
T2. Quick, Show me the result. Where's the result?
Where is the
no
result?
Look at that oozing
Ooh.
from the jar.
Liquid popcorn, maybe?
What is this for?
No clue.
Oh boy.
Magnetic.
Oh, he like organized his tools with it.
That was
wow.
pretty
It is
cool.
pretty good.
Alright.
Yeah.
And a zip tie.
Zip tie.
Okay.
So he's connected.
Bish bash bosh. It's that simple.
seems Inefficient.
Why would you spoil your fork like that?
No, you don't have a bendy fork? Everyone
I
has a
don't
bendy
have a bendy
fork.
fork,
For
yeah.
exactly that reason.
I have.
I need to get myself a bendy fork.
Ooh, cheddar cheese. Yes.
Nice.
Tasty.
Alright, was this a pipe connector?
For what?
What's he doing with it? A heat gun?
I always get too afraid to
It's
like
what?
go near saws, you know? It's like,
Alright.
what if it cuts you?
That just kind of melts it. That was pretty smart. Alright. Okay. A little wrench. Hot glue.
Oh, it's a door stopper.
It's a door
Nice.
stopper!
That's cool. I need that.
not bad.
I
Alright.
just slam into everything and like break massive holes in my walls.
That's not good to have holes in your walls.
No.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, what's that?
My landlord
Fixed-
doesn't think so.
Fixed the vinyl. Okay, uneven tiles. More zip ties. Okay.
Okay, I guess that would work.
Wow.
Even Steven.
Even Steven.
Alright. And that's how you crack tiles, gentlemen.
Wow.
Perfectly correct.
Nice.
Perfectly
Who'd
nice.
have thunk it? Who'd have thunk that was it?
More hot glue, a bit of chopper chops.
What? Where's this
What is he
going?
doing?
What?
Oh, that's sick. Yeah, I need that.
I don't think that would work.
No?
I don't think so.
I think it is.
We have to try it.
Okay, they broke glass.
For what?
Get some plastic.
Okay.
All right.
Protection.
Ah, here's some solution, right?
Is that really enough protection though? I feel like hammer would still do the trick.
Now
Probably.
they need to throw it
Ah,
in a
You know
wall.
what?
Yeah.
We'll test it later, Flint.
that is not as that's not as hard as they hit it before.
Okay.
True.
What's he doing with this? Another zip tie? Alright, that kind of worked. We got a little magnet. Where's he going with this? Don't tell me he's gonna hang it on the bucket.
He's gonna hang it on the bucket.
He's got a little bucket hanger for
That's
it. Why
cool.
using a magnet? He doesn't need a magnet for that. Alright. How did he glue that pen to the WD-40?
I don't know.
Why?
Super glue.
Why? There's a pipe.
Okay,
Is that
pipe.
another pipe?
Another pipe.
That's pipe squared.
That's pipe squares.
Metal thing?
What is this for?
I have no clue. What was that? That
I
was
didn't
kind
get
of
it.
pointless.
Wait, what is the point of that?
Maybe he screwed the nail, the screw inside the other the wood,
Well,
inside the metal.
Apparently it's cool, so we should just go with it.
All right, a little foot fasten thing, plastic corner,
Okay.
and that's how you get the corner cut.
No.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, 5-minute
Yeah.
crafts.
Nice one.
DIY edition.
That there's a hairy arm.
Hairy arm time. He's rubbing
And
it.
now no more hair.
Ooh. Ooh, that cat looks satisfied.
That cat did look satisfied.
Oh, I love this gadget.
Okay.
Everything's happening so fast.
So fast. What's going on?
Oh my gosh, it's a bat opener.
That's no bat. That's a bottle opener. All right.
Yes.
Okay, slow it down.
Oh, that just solves
Oh,
everything.
that's awesome.
Nice.
Okay. All right. Well, ketchup.
Okay.
They just lubricated
Will-
it.
Oh, they lubricated it with ketchup.
So you're gonna get ketchup chips. What?
It's
That is the worst
cool.
flavor of
It's kind of
chips,
cool. I
though.
need to buy this.
This just in. We have chopsticks for that.
Why don't you just use your fingers?
Do not make a mess.
Yeah, but then you can lick them afterwards, and it's like bonus snack.
What was that? What is going on?
That's a good point.
Life hacks with Flint.
All right. The guy's opening the door with a screwdriver. She's waiting for him.
Wait a second.
Excuse me, Robert.
Christopher.
Can you stop breaking in really quick so I can protect myself? Thank you.
If I would hear it, I would just run away from house. She just what? Okay.
All right. The guy's lost in the wood. Oh, gotta shave myself because I'm in the woods.
Yeah.
There we go. Bish bash bosh, and now
Those squirrels are really judgmental.
the
so-
squirrels are gonna love me now. Oh, can't hang my phone there, but I'll just use a phone stand
Oh,
Nice.
for a car. All right.
wow. Okay, a little light bulb. Flashlights are a
Light
thing too.
bulb. All right.
They have flashlights that hang too. That's
Nice.
What-
That's a drill.
Was
bit.
it? Okay, doesn't matter.
Ah, little thread thingy, majiggy bob.
wow. Okay, what is
Right.
happening here?
Some electric wire things.
Ah, it's to pull out the copper
Which is alright.
Or just kind of seal it in.
or to seal it in. Correct.
I don't know what's going on, but some nice shots.
Okay.
Alright, good for repair. Why not?
There's so much metal happening that I like can't even process.
But Flint, it's metal! Alright, a little
What is
vacuum
this?
cleaner for your desktop or whatever.
Roomba?
It's actually working.
Wow, that's kind of cool.
You know
It's
what?
called
I need
Peach.
one of those. Not bad.
Peachy Keen.
Peachy can. Alright, little protection things for your chair.
Ah.
Because why not?
Always wear protection,
Exactly.
even if you're a chair.
Even if you're a chair. Oh, someone should help her. She looks like she's
That's
a damsel
cool.
in distress.
She looks like she needs help.
Alright.
Didn't need it.
No, she got this.
She's an independent woman.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Why don't you just get a vase? Why do you need to hang it up?
That's
on your
so
kitchen
extra.
Just in our way.
thing? Alright, okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that always happens.
What?
What?
I think no. I think that's
Me
a
too.
big cap. That's big cap.
Alright, he's getting undressed. He's giving someone his jacket.
Why is this
Oh.
200 IQ? Oh, okay.
He's breaking into the train.
I feel like
That's a good idea.
someone else could have 200
It's
IQ
'cause
but
of
not
all-
be able to fit in.
It's because of all the people who are trying
Oh,
to get
trick
in.
shot.
That is nice.
Professional.
Alright, playing Uno.
Uno. Oh,
Alrighty then.
wow. That
even
is
have a little bump.
major big brain time.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Makes the dream work.